Hey, I'm Chris, and welcome to the Think Creative channel. This channel is built specifically for automotive dealerships. We focus on automotive marketing that drives real visibility, real leads, and real revenue. Not just templates, not trends. We build real systems that help dealerships stand out, scale, and grow their visibility in the market. Today, I want to walk you through one of the most complex custom automotive websites we've ever built. This is the Century Trucks and Vans case study. If you've ever felt limited by your current website platform, this one is going to hit home. Century Trucks and Vans is not a traditional dealership. They specialize in commercial trucks, vans, work vehicles, and extensive parts. Their customers are business owners, contractors, and fleet buyers. These are buyers who need functionality, clarity, and speed. They're not buying it because it's cool. They also have a significant parts operation alongside of vehicle sales. Right away, this wasn't just about building a standard dealership website. This was about building a system that supports two distinct revenue channels, vehicles and parts, inside one seamless experience for their customers. Before working with us, Century did try to accomplish their vision with another provider. That provider was one of the most bespoke options available among the larger standard dealership website companies. But even their most customizable template couldn't make it work. The design constraints were too limiting. The functionality requirements couldn't be achieved, and the platform simply wasn't built to support what Century wanted. The client was incredibly clear and upfront. They came to us with a detailed list of design wishes and functionality requirements. These weren't just vague ideas. They were specific expectations of a website rebuild. After reviewing everything, we made an internal decision that we could build all of this without compromise. One of the most unique aspects of this project is that it's essentially two websites in one. The vehicle side and the parts side operate independently. It's different parts of the sales journey, different navigation paths, different goals, but they live under one domain and one cohesive brand experience. That required thoughtful architecture. You can't just throw parts into a drop-down menu and call it done. The vehicle experience had to feel built for commercial buyers. The parts side had to function like a true parts portal. We structured the website in a way that both divisions feel purpose-built, yet they're still unified. This wasn't a rush project. We spent a full year designing this website, not because it was hard to do, but because it needed to be right. The design had to capture the exact vision of the client, and it had to support his customers and his internal team. Every single page, layout, navigation decision, every call to action was intentional. We used Figma to map everything out and design the entire project, and every component was designed and refined before a single line of code was written. This wasn't template tweaking. This was full architecture design, both desktop and mobile. The project was a true collaboration between us and the client. Our design team brought creativity and execution. I brought strategic direction based on automotive buyer behavior, and the client brought deep knowledge of his customers and his internal operations. It was that combination that made the final product so precise. When you're building a custom automotive website correctly, it becomes a reflection of both strategy and the reality of the business. Once the design phase was complete, we finally were able to begin development and actually code the website. And this is where custom really matters. We didn't adapt a template. We built the website to spec. Every functionality requirement was engineered intentionally. The site isn't just beautiful, it's powerful and it works for the market. Vehicle inventory is populated through incoming data from ASN, the dealership's DMS. Lead data is sent through custom ADF code directly into AutoRaptor. Parts data is also imported from ASN and structured properly within the parts side of the website. That means Century achieves clean data, reliable feeds, proper lead routing, and no broken handoffs between data providers. Everything just works together. And because it's custom, Century isn't stuck waiting on a platform provider to support integrations. This project represents something bigger than just a website. It proves what's possible when a dealership stops trying to force their vision into a template. Most dealerships adapt to platform limitations. Century did not. They knew exactly what they wanted, and they were willing to build it correctly and take the time needed to do it. What you see today at centurytrucks.com is a fully custom WordPress website engineered around their business model. 2 revenue channels, 1 unified experience, custom integrations, pixel perfect design. And they also have full ownership of the platform. If you're a dealership watching this and you've ever felt constrained by your current website provider and you're not able to do what you want, if you've ever been told that's just how the platform works, or if you've had a design or functionality idea shut down because of template limitations, you do have options. And a custom automotive website isn't about flashy design, it's about control. It's about owning the website. It's about building something around your dealership instead of squeezing your dealership into someone else's system. If you want to explore what a custom website solution could look like for your store, reach out. Let's talk about it. We'd be happy to walk you through what's possible for your dealership and what we've done in the past. I'm Chris with Think Creative. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.